Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook notification not working. If you're using Facebook in your iPhone or in your Android phone and you're facing the issue that your notifications are not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down in Control Center and you have to make sure that your Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. If your Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, you just have to try to turn it off and then you have to go back. And you have to also make sure that your Bluetooth devices are not connected. If you're connected to any kind of Bluetooth device, very first try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, you have to go back and open your App Store, go for search, and here search for Facebook. And you just have to make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. Once you have updated your Facebook app, go back, open your settings app, and here go to notification settings, and here just select Facebook. Now here you have to make sure that you have enabled all the toggles and all the settings for your Facebook here, or you can also go ahead to Facebook notification settings and you want to customize your notifications of Facebook from here if you want to. After doing this, you have to simply go back, open your settings app again, go to general again, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any kind of pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone or with your Android phone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once the phone has been black screen, you just have to wait for until you find Apple logo. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so that's the only way. You just have to tap on your settings app, then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and here you just have to look for Facebook app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook app, it will be fixing this step and will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.